Hello, it's Bill. We have a westbound coal train. And another rail fan. You will see him, and his name is Patrick. We have 5288. There he is. Whoops. Sorry about the sun. I can't help that. Leaving? Yep, that's good for me. Nice to meet you, sir. Well, Patrick, have a safe trip to Seattle, huh? Oh, my fingertips are cold. Let's flip it over. Oh, I hate graffiti. Yeah. Well, this is number 2. Have a safe trip. Oh, here comes the end. Yeah, like I said before, the full ones are not that noisy. The empty ones, that's another story in itself. .9345, the end. Well, there she goes, into the sunset. Hopefully they're wearing sunglasses. All right, everybody, this is Bill. I might wait for one more. I don't know how long my fingertips can handle this. Can't find my gloves, but all right, everybody, you have a great one, huh? Take care and take care of yourselves. Bill out.